Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a fingerprint on OPPO A3. Go to settings, then go to security and privacy, device unlock, face and fingerprint unlock, fingerprint, agree, and now draw your lock screen pattern or enter your lock screen password. Okay, and now place your finger on the sensor. I'm gonna choose my right thumb because I typically hold my phone like that, and place it on the sensor and lift it a few times like that. Remember to move your fingers a little bit between these scans and to also scan the edges of your finger. So try holding it in different positions and then click on done. You can also enroll face unlock. I'm gonna cancel it for now. And now when I lock my phone, you can see that this sensor appears. I can tap on it and it unlocks with my fingerprint. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.